All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Nissan Sentra. It is the S model. It's beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera. Super nice, only 200 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger hubcap, from driver's hubcap, I apologize. Tire tread, over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks okay. Here's your rear driver's side hubcap. And your tire tread is over 7/32. This is a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn the lights, get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera, boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for your airbag and your mileage of 277 miles. Looks good. Open up the trunk. The lights. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Coming around, your rear bumper looks good. Your rear deck lid looks very nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. Does have a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger side hubcap and your tire tread, over 7/32. Door looks good. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks pretty good. Does have a dent right there, less than an inch of paint off. Front passenger seat looks good, no holes, no tears, no rips. And your front fender, very nice. Your front passenger hubcap and your tire tread is over 7/32, actually almost 10. Lights are working, car is up, car is on, things are moving. All right, folks, once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Sentra S model with 200 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy birthday.